Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be building a simple flicker box using lamp parts that recreates the look of glowing candles. To get started, I'm going to break this into two parts. The first part, I'll use an outlet to socket light plug, a medium base to candelabra adapter, and a candelabra flicker bulb. I'm going to take the medium base to candelabra adapter and screw in the candelabra flicker bulb. After that, I'm going to screw the adapter into the outlet to socket light plug and set it aside. For the second part, I'm using another outlet to socket light plug, a medium base to outlet adapter, and a dusk-to-dawn socket sensor. Screw the outlet adapter into the dusk-to-dawn sensor, and then screw the adapter into the outlet to socket light plug and set it aside. With all the adapters connected, it's time for the wiring part of this build. I need to create a few 10-inch power cords. I'm using a snap-together plug with some speaker wire, but you could also use lamp cord. First, let's remove the plug insert from the plug housing. To use this connector, start by spreading the terminal prongs. Slide the lamp cord into the base, and then squeeze the terminals together to pierce the wire sheathing. This creates two small holes in the cord, allowing current to be fed to each side of the plug. Once it's seated, squeeze the prongs together and slide it back into the housing. I'm going to install my flicker parts into this project box, but you could easily put it into a variety of containers or even a large piece of PVC pipe. After drilling two holes in the box, I'm going to feed the non-plug end through the hole, leaving the male plug inside the box. Now I can attach the female end of the cord. This connector has two screw terminals that are tightened onto the stripped wire ends of your cord. Be sure to check that the correct polarity is being followed. You can tell by looking for a white line or ribbing on one side of your cord. In my case, this cord has a small plus sign. With the female connector attached, take a second piece of cord and thread it through the second hole in your box, with the male plug outside the box. From there, I'm going to install a double female plug. To do this, take two short pieces of cord, wire strip both ends, and connect two female outlets like we did in an earlier step. Then I'll use two wire nuts to connect the positive and negative ends of the short cords with the second cord I made earlier. This graphic should help visualize this step a bit better. With all the cords wired up, it's time to plug in the adapters. Before they get placed into the box, I'm going to use a small drop of hot glue on the Dusk-to-dawn sensor. This will help diffuse the light and create more subtlety to the flickering, which more closely resembles the look of a flickering candle. Once the glue is dried, I wrapped the two sections together with electrical tape. I give it a quick test to make sure my wiring is working before placing the lid on the box and screwing it closed. Plug a lamp to the female end of your cord and give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done. This is a really versatile effect that can be used with an incandescent bulb or string lights. With a warm white bulb, it could be used to create the look of candles or a haunted lamp. With a red or green bulb, it could be used near a fire or cauldron scene to cast a large glowing effect. The options are endless. Well, that'll be it for me. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see more tutorials like these, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell to be alerted when I put out another video. And until next time, happy haunting.